Welcome to your next mission. Your students have been able to enter your course, but when they get in there, there's no content. It's time to add some. First, to this left side, you'll see a navigation menu. By default, you're provided with announcements, information, syllabus, content, discussions, tools, and help. You have the ability to create any content area you would like. A content area is similar to a folder on your computer that holds materials inside. So for example, if I select the syllabus content area, I can post my syllabus in this folder. To create your own content area, you'll start by selecting the plus sign at the top of the screen and selecting Content Area. From here, you'll need to provide a title. For example, I'd like to do a homework content area, so my students know where to go to access any homework assignments. Next, you'll see that there's a button that says Available to Users. You want to select that so your students can view that content area. If that button is not selected, they will not be able to view it. Next, we're going to push Submit. And we'll see that the content area has been created. To move that content area up closer to the top of the navigation, you'll hover your mouse over it until you see this four-pointed cross and drag it up. You'll notice that there are different icons next to the different content areas. If there isn't an icon next to the content area, like announcements, that means that the content area has content as well as is available to students. Content area is grayed out with a slash through it, like discussions. That means that the content area is unavailable to students. To change this, you'll hover your mouse over it, select this drop-down arrow that appears, and select Show Link. You'll see that that box now goes away and your students can view the content. The final shaded box means that there's just no content in there yet. It's empty. Once you add content, it'll be available to the students. You now know how to create content areas. Head on over to our next video to learn how to add the content to these content areas.